In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Chrome extensions in Adspower. If you use multiple browser profiles to manage workflows, extensions can make a huge difference, and Adspower makes it straightforward to add them once and enable them wherever you need. Start inside Adspower and head to the Extensions area. Then open the Team tab. Think of the Team tab as your shared library for extensions that can be made available across your profiles. Keeping them here ensures consistency, so every profile you launch can use the same tools without you having to repeat the setup over and over. Next, switch to the Chrome Web Store tab. This tab is dedicated to pulling extensions directly from the Chrome Web Store, so you don't need to upload files or worry about packaging. It keeps everything clean and up to date. Now grab the extension link. In your regular browser, open the Chrome Web Store page for the extension you want, and copy the URL from the address bar. Make sure you're copying the full official store link so Adspower can fetch the correct item. A quick tip: stick to reputable extensions, review their permissions, and confirm they're compatible with Chromium-based browsers. Go back to Adspower, paste that URL into the field provided, and click OK to add it. Adspower will fetch the extension's details, like its name, icon, and version. If it takes a moment, that's normal. If it fails, double-check the link, your internet connection, or try again later in case the store is momentarily slow. Once the extension appears in your team's extensions list, it's ready to use. You don't need to install it separately for each profile. When you launch a profile, look for the Extensions section and enable the extension there. This gives you fine control, so only the profiles that need a specific tool have it active. If the extension requires a sign-in or initial setup, complete that inside the profile once it opens, and Adspower will keep those settings isolated per profile. A couple of practical tips to keep things smooth. Enable only the extensions you truly need to avoid slowing down the browser. Revisit your list periodically and remove anything you're no longer using. And keep an eye on updates or permission changes from the Chrome Web Store. And that's it. You've added an extension through the Team tab, pulled it from the Chrome Web Store by URL, confirmed it in your library, and enabled it when launching profiles. Repeat the same process for any other tools you rely on, and enjoy a cleaner, more efficient workflow inside Adspower.